Chelsea, put your boom down. See that one? Push it more. Now take the one on this side, pull it back. Ah! Now you got to pick the other one back up. Pull it towards you. There you go. Out. More. More. Now push that one forward. Keep going. Now pull the other one back. Now take it out all the way up. No, yeah, there you go. Keep going. Now curl a bucket. That's this one. No. Keep going. There you go. Now put it down. Now pull it towards you. Pick that one up a little bit. There you go. Now pull it towards you. There you go, using both of them at one time. See that? Do you know how to get a bucket full? You got, when you work the controls, you don't do this. You nice and easy. See that? Look how good that works when you do that. You go slower. Now curl a bucket. Other one. No, this one. There you go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Now pick it right up. Look at that. Today on the Algire's garage, my granddaughter's running the backhoe. First day she's done it, she's learning. She catches on quick, man. Boy, does she catch on quick. Good job! Over here. Man, does she catch on quick. See, when you pick up a bucket full, though, you don't want to pick it up really high, because if you pick it up high, you lose distance. You want to pick up just enough so you can swing over and dump the load. See? Curl it. There you go. I'm pretty impressed. And I even made her put her seatbelt on.
What is that?
What's what?
That is a string.
Junk. reach out. Hey, when you reach out like that, you want to reach down too. Watch. Reach out and down. See? Now you reach out and look how much farther out that way it goes. That's why I say you get it down just enough like that to swing over stuff and you take your load and dump it, because when you're like that, you're reached out all the way. When you're up here like this, it's getting closer to you, so you don't want that. Over here.
Why over there?
Because I need to dig this all up so I can move it with a front bucket. Reach out, like I told you, reach out. God damn, I'm impressed. Chelsea, reach way out. She's doing 2 actions at one time yet. Little girl is good. Guess we'll have to look into getting her a tractor. Unbelievable. Wow, unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Why?
You're good at it. You learn quick. It's kind of like grading. This is the first time she's ever done this. And the best part is she hasn't spilled my coffee yet either. It's gonna rain soon. I'm watching make Cody doesn't leak anymore. He does have a water pump that's leaking, which isn't the greatest, but I'm keeping an eye on him. Not overheating, right? Alright, we're gonna finish what we're doing because I think it's starting to rain, so thanks for watching the Algar's Garage. Have a good day.